Hi all. This week from the 26th to the 30th of October 2021, I am speaking at the Comeback Champions Summit, the world's #1 development event for champions. Today is day 2, and I will be sharing my message, Launch Your Life Today, a 5-step formula to hope, courage, and motivation to heal your soul and love your life again. My name is Dr. Liz Bataille, and I hope that you'll be able to join me tonight at both 7:41 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 11:41 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in workshop room number 7, the Success for Women department of the summit. Again, I am Dr. Liz Bataille, and I am the founder of the Arise Mind Body Spirit Healing Institute for Launching Your Life and the Benjamin J. Dubrow Rainbow of Hope Foundation for Mental Health and Suicide Prevention. I hope you'll join me tonight and or any of the next 3 days left of the summit. Thank you so much and look forward to seeing you there. Bye-bye.